how so many text messages or spam wind up on so many mobile phones or social media messaging app accounts. There is a particular dedicated hardware or device which does exactly as mentioned. And shady characters, troublemakers, and cyber criminals love to get their hands on it, as our Ryan Lesigas covers one arrested suspect caught recently.
Ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik kung magpasa walang ibo. Ano man ang isasabihin ng maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo.
This man was caught by surprise after he was arrested by officers of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group at a restaurant in Paco, Manila for illegally selling a text blast machine. According to PNP ACG spokesperson Police Lieutenant Wallen May Arancillo, the suspect's illegal operation was put to an end after authorities discovered it through intensified cyber patrolling. Once authorities confirmed that the suspect, alias Popoy, was selling the device, an entrapment operation was immediately conducted. Initial investigation revealed that the suspect purchased the text blasting machine from a security guard at a Pogo hub for 5,000 pesos.
Sa halagang 10,000 pesos. At nakipag-engage dito yung cybercops natin, and sa tulong na rin ng NTC, na pag-alaman natin na ito talaga ay confirm na text blast machine na pwedeng gamitin ng mga cybercriminal sa mga illegal online activities nila tulad ng text scam.
The suspect bought the device a while back. However, since he did not know how to use it, he simply kept it. When he needed money, he decided to sell it online.
Sa ngayon po ay nandito po siya sa custodial facility ng PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, and yun nga po ayon sa kanya ay sana yung pera na gagamitin niya ay pang-birthday niya, and sa kasamaang palad ay napunta po siya dito sa ating opisina.
The suspect refused to comment.
Ang naaresto natin sa kanya ay isang device na may 8 ports. Kahit ito ay isang device lang at 8 ports po, maaari po itong gamitan ng mga SIM cards, since meron po itong mga SIM card slots, and each SIM card po ay maaaring makapagpadala ng 1,000 messages.
An IMSI catcher is an electronic device capable of tracking and intercepting mobile phone communications. It is often referred to as a fake cell tower or a rogue cell tower. This device can mimic a cell tower, allowing nearby mobile phones to connect to it. One indication that an IMSI catcher is present in an area is weaker signal. For example, a drop from LTE or 5G to 2G, at which point text message can be intercepted and sent through it. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Kamkrame.